Hi, this video is about the Nova toilet seat risers. So a toilet seat riser does exactly that. It raises your toilet seat 3.5 inches, and that makes it easier to sit on the toilet and get up off the toilet. The riser is great because it fits under your existing seat inlet. So the option I have here is the one with the arms, and you can also get it without the arms. But I love the feature with the arms because it allows you to have a lot more support and stability when you're getting up from the toilet and then also back down. The third option that we have is the hinged. So the hinged option allows you to lift it up, and that makes it easier to clean the toilet. All three options come in both standard and elongated sizes. And as with all of Nova products, it will come with our care, use, and assembly information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.